How many passwords do you remember? If it's more than 3, you're either superhuman or using a password manager. 1990s, users wrote passwords on sticky notes. First password managers were browser-based. Apps like LastPass, 1Password, Dashlane brought secure vaults. With dozens of logins, managers prevent weak, reused passwords. A password manager is like a safe deposit box. One master key unlocks everything. Passwordless authentication may reduce reliance on them. Password managers helped us survive the password explosion, but the future may make them obsolete.